Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. ChatGPT image generate product photography. So in today's video, I'm going to teach you how I'm going to teach you how to make product photos for your business. As you see right now, the first thing you need to do is here in ChatGPT, put in your product. Let's say, make me a product image of my new store. So let's say the store is for water. Uh, then we're gonna put this then water station and make it look clean mm, and um good. Say good. Sure, there you go. Then type in the product image of the product that you want it. So let's just say it has to be a water bottle. And of course, don't forget the name of your store. The store name is, let's just say, guide. Put that there, go guide. Now let's go. And you can add more stuff like color. Let's say color should be white, blue, and yellow. There you go. Make me a product image. Sure, can create clean. Do you have a logo? Now it's asking us for specific type. So do you have a logo? So now we don't have a logo. So just answer each one of them. So number one, no. Number two is should the bottle be plastic, metal, or glass? Let's say plastic. Plastic. Number three, should I just put numbers so the AI would know? Should I include store branding like tagline or just the product? I think put in just about just the product. There you go. And number four. Would you like a plain background? Plain background, yes. Yes. Plain background. And just enter that. After that, it's now making us our product design right here. So we'll just have to wait. There you go. As you can see right now, we have our product there. There you go, guide, water station. And you can change the image or logo. If you have a logo, just tell them, just attach the logo right there. Let's just say you have a logo. Um, you can either just attach an image here by just clicking here, add photos and files. Just click on that, then add an image. Or you can do what I'm doing right now, add a dragon logo in the middle of the bottle. There you go. Or you can just do that. But if you have your own personalized logo, just click on here, add photos and files, and it will direct you to your files. Then you will now have to choose the logo on your files. So there. Now we'll just have to wait on this. And there you go. As you see right now, the picture has now been done. So yeah, there you go, guys. That's how you make a product image in ChatGPT. So if you have any questions, type it down in the comment section below. And so yeah, there you go, guys. So and a quick tip for you guys, you can download it by just clicking right here on the image right there. You can just download it right here, or you can just right click it and click on save image as. Then there you go. It will also download it. So yeah, there you go, guys. I hope you guys like the video. If you guys enjoyed. If you have any questions, type it down in the comment section below. I'll be happy to answer you. So yeah, guys, and thank you.
If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.